The 3 greatest moments in robot history, in detail. As an AI language model, I don't have personal beliefs or feelings. However, I can provide you with an objective view of 3 significant moments in robot history. Number 1, the Unimate Robot. In 1961, George Devol and Joseph Engelberger created the first industrial robot called the Unimate. It was a large arm-like robot designed to do simple tasks like stacking and lifting heavy objects. This creation revolutionized manufacturing processes and introduced the concept of automation. This moment paved the way for the development of modern robots that are capable of performing complex tasks. Number 2, the Mars Rover Mission. In 1997, NASA launched the Mars Pathfinder mission, which included a robotic rover called Sojourner. This was the first time a robot had been sent to another planet, and it was a groundbreaking moment for robotic exploration. Sojourner successfully traveled across the Martian surface, collecting data and sending it back to Earth. Since then, NASA has launched several other robotic missions to Mars, including the Curiosity and Perseverance rovers, which have made significant discoveries about the planet's geology and potential for habitability. Number 3, Deep Blue beats Kasparov. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue supercomputer played a 6-game chess match against the world champion, Garry Kasparov. The computer won the match, marking the first time a machine had defeated a human in a chess tournament. This event was significant because it demonstrated the potential of artificial intelligence and machine learning to outperform humans in complex tasks. Overall, these 3 moments represent the evolution and advancement of robotics and AI, from simple automation to complex machines capable of exploring other planets and defeating human champions in intellectual games.